You can see where I welded on the big circle part and welded in the middle circle part right here. Alright guys, so this is what I made out of that scrap metal. As you can see, I took an old table base, an old fire pit bottom, some rebar, and reinforced it and made a frame. Also took some square channel down here and made it like a hand to hold it in place. And this round part was actually part of an old fire pit that used to have tile in the hole areas, and someone had threw it out and they were all busted, all the crap, so just knocked those out. This is an old, I believe that's a 10-inch speaker, the frame of it, to give it the Death Star weapon in the middle part right there. So we'll light this fire later on tonight so we can see what it looks like, and if I'm correct, when the fire is burning, it should light up the ring and make it kind of look like the Death Star on fire. Alright guys, as always, have a great day. That's another scrap metal art video. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.